it. I didn't mean it. I got my band down. Dang. You got so. This is stuck in your phone. I took it off. And some of mine. This part is mine. Let me get the rest because you took some of mine. Much better. And don't take that stuff right there. Don't touch it. Yeah, Oh, I'm so sorry to do that. So 15.
Well, I didn't know you had glue in yours.
Huh?
I didn't know you had glue in yours.
Me?
Why else? Oh, no, not for Maria. I didn't know she had glue in her can. I thought y'all switched for a minute because Maria was right here.
Yeah, we switched.
I'm talking about like switch from.
Guys, my stretch for nothing. That was my first thing.
You're not supposed to talk, Maria. Mariah said you're not supposed to talk. She talked.
That's
That's her video.
Exactly.
You thought I was playing? I wasn't playing. You still don't talk.
Still don't say her name, but still don't talk. My stretch for nothing. You gonna talk again. Look at this big hair. It's my video too.
She didn't say that.
Yes, it is. I'm you, Mariah. I'm you. And you're me. Oh, and we're each other. So this is my video too.
You don't get what she means. Like,
for real, for real.
like, she mean like that's her video. Like, they mean like she could talk and he can't.
I can talk too because I'm her.
Yeah.
Marie, Lawrence, I can't know what you mean.
I really don't.
Yes, you do. You be like that to Mario. So how you gonna tell me to stop doing something, but you do it too? You do it too. You do it to Mario too.
I really don't.
If I do it, then you do it. One person reason. So exactly why I said that. And this is exactly why I said that. Because we're one person. Okay, Maria. Thank you for watching.